To me, there's nothing more luxe than a brand new home, a house that nobody has lived in except for you. I personally like that, and if that's something that you're looking for, I've got a treat for you today. Just because it's luxe, that doesn't mean it has to cost a lot of money. Today, I'm going to be showing you the community of Radiance, something I call Lux for Less, which is affordable luxury. Now, this Radiance community is special. One of the things that makes it so special is that the amenities are literally off the chart. It is like living in a resort. And wait till you see these amenities. I'm not gonna lie to you, my kids are kind of obsessed, and so am I. Now, it's not just all about the lifestyle and the resort pool and all the good stuff that comes along with Radiance. It's also about the price. Radiance offers Lux for Less homes that are at a great affordable price, anywhere between $400,000 and $600,000. There are so many floor plans to choose from, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of the more popular ones. Radiance has you covered. It is owned by D.R. Horton. All of the homes in this development are D.R. Horton. They have some incredible low rate financing opportunities on quick move-in homes. And not only that, they even have a no money down program with a low interest rate. And that is wow. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, that sounds great, Chey, but I'm a little worried about my credit. I get it. A lot of people feel the same exact way, but not to worry. They have a credit improvement program that is like nothing I've seen with any of the developers. None of the developers even have anything like this except for D.R. Horton. So I'm going to include the link and more information about that in the description. All right, so let's get to it. Let's take a look at a few of the quick move-in homes that are ready right now, and stick around because I am going to be showing you these mind-blowing amenities. You're definitely going to want to see that. Okay, so what did you think? Did you see an option in there that is the right fit for you? If you did, make sure you reach out to me. But as promised, now we're gonna take a look at these amenities. Okay, so was I right? I mean, the pool and barbecue areas and the splash pad and the clubhouse and the gym. Oh my gosh, that gym was amazing. If you're thinking that this just might be the community for you, make sure you give me a call. My number is 480-789-0794. Now, it is very important for you to have representation when you're purchasing a new construction home. Some people will tell you you don't need it, but it's really a good idea. And if you're not sure, check out my video up here for more information on why it's definitely something you want to consider. If I can help, give me a call, 480-789-0794. I'd love to take you out and explore this community in person if that's something you're interested in, or if you're living out of town and you want a virtual tour, I can definitely hook you up with that. I look forward to hearing from you soon.